Hi, everyone. This week, our lecture material focuses on analysis. With analysis, we are taking something that is big and zooming in on it to get a clear idea of its parts and what those parts look like, how they function together, what deeper meaning we can find in those parts. And an analogy that I make is that it's kind of like looking up at the night sky without a telescope. If we're looking up at the night sky, we are looking up and just seeing a bunch of specks, seeing a lot of beauty, moon, stars, darkness. If we get a telescope out, then we can analyze those individual pieces. We can zoom in on the moon. We can see its surface a little bit more clearly. We can see the craters and the coloring, and shape, and the ruggedness. We can do the same by using that telescope to zoom in on the stars, on the individual stars that we have. So we can learn something or gain important information when we analyze, when we look at something more closely. We can find different meaning in that object when we examine it on that level. So you'll notice in these lecture notes that I've got starry sky background. As you go through this lecture material, keep in mind that you are probably doing and have done analysis throughout your life. This is not something that should be brand new to you all, but you might not even have realized that you've been doing it. So it's something that once you realize you are analyzing, you will probably be a little bit more gosh, what is the word? A little bit more cognizant of that purposeful process as you go. If you have any questions after these lecture materials are done on analytical writing or analysis, don't hesitate to let me know. Send me an email or a Canvas inbox message.